smiles in her face. Last March 3, she turned 60 and decided to close the door for any extended job commitment by permanently retiring from work last June 1. Mind you guys, she joined BCC single and yet left BCC still single. We just hope she's not closing her heart and mind for anyone who wishes to knock at her door. Now I'm reminded of this one punchline which goes this way. When you kiss a young woman, take note, it means love and admiration. But when you kiss a retired and unmarried woman, it means charity or donation. And if Edna chooses to get married after BCC, that's going to be a big, big celebration. And lastly, Miss Karen. Kita mo di Karen? Karen, on the other hand, is a esteemed young fellow who signed up as board secretary in August 2010. Is that right? After being chosen among several aspirants for the position. Basically, it's not only her pleasing personality and body language that capture the board's nod and approval, but also her intelligence, wit, and skills. With BCC's untiring appetite for growth, the position of a teller was opened last May 2011 and was conferred to Karen. As part of BCC's career pathing program, Ms. Karen was promoted to the position of Financial Analyst 1 last September 16, 2013. Karen spent her 3 years and barely 8 months stint with BCC. Young, energetic, and full of courage, she will soar new heights for unfinished business by investing her time and assets in Dubai to fulfill her dreams and aspirations for her family. Now, in this new expedition, she will be bringing with her the BCC culture and spirit. So those are our outgoing employees. Thank you very much.